Hey guys, Jeff Tricoli again here in Southeast Florida. And today I just wanted to do a market update basically on the first quarter of 2026. So coming out of 2025, December, we really started to see our market kind of ramp up a little bit more than we have in past years to end the year. So all great signs pointing into the through the first quarter of this year. Everything's been up. The MLS has been up. The overall market's been up. So overall, the closed units here in Southeast Florida have went up 5.5%. A lot of strong numbers there. The pendings have went up over 7%. Exciting news for my team because we kind of have crushed the market and what the average of the market's been. So closed units for us in the first quarter went up 39% from the first quarter last year. And pending sales, so homes that went under contract, we put 126 homes and helped 126 buyers and sellers get under contract with their home in the first quarter of 2026. So that's over a 34% increase for us this year. It's been an amazing year so far, and probably one of our best years to start off the new year here. In terms of days on the market, that's the only number that we've seen increase. So days on the market still taking a little bit of time than normal. MLS average is 67 days. Ours usually runs about half that amount. So with all of our marketing, everything what we do, and the sole focus of getting the home sold and helping buyers, usually our average days in the market is about half of that average of the MLS. The average home price and the median home price has ticked up slightly. So that's all good news. The active listings are down. So there's less active listings, less homes, townhomes, condos for people to choose from in our market than there was this time last year. Now, comparing that to 2022, our inventory is still probably 2.5 times, probably 3 times the amount it was in 2022, which is probably why the days on the market is continuing to grow. However, that number coming down is crucial and important because that usually will drive more sales in terms of value. And with less homes on the market, less supply and demand increasing, usually drives up prices a little bit. So we have seen that a tad bit. The new listings on the market is down. So that also less inventory, less supply typically drives, prices or helps sellers out a little bit there. And then the months of supply of inventory, 8 months total. So that's houses and townhouses, condos. Now houses is a little bit different market, single family homes, different market. That number is somewhere closer to like 5 months of inventory. Condos is still fairly high, around 10 to 11 months of inventory. So that's just kind of a brief analysis of the first quarter here in 2026. If you want to know more about the market, more about your particular home, give us a call, email us, text us anytime. We'd love to set up an appointment. Thank you. Have a nice day.